Hello everyone! Welcome to Jodoo. This is Roxanne. Today we will explore the feature of the data linkage. With data linkage, you can retrieve data that meets certain conditions in one form or aggregated table in another form, so that you can fill in the fields automatically. For example, in the athletic transcript, you need to fill in these fields. But after filling the name field, the sporting event and competition result are filled automatically. The two information are retrieved from the form of competition results. Then, let's see how to realize this feature by the data linkage. First, select the field you want to set data linkage. Then, you can set data linkage in the field properties. However, it's important to note that not all fields can have data linkage set up. Moreover, the section for setting data linkage varies for each type of field. There are mainly 3 different sections for setting up data linkage. The fields that support setting data linkage in the initial value are single line, multi-line, number, date and time, image, attachment, subform, member, and members. The fields that support setting data linkage in the options are single select and multi-select. The fields that support setting data linkage in available options are department and departments. If these mentioned fields are within a subform, the data linkage feature can be used as usual. However, other fields do not support setting data linkage. Therefore, when designing a form, it is important to take this limitation into consideration. For example, in the athletic transcript, if you want to retrieve sporting events from the competition results form, click on the sporting event field and then go to field properties and select data linkage in the drop-down list of initial value. Click data linkage settings. Let's configure their 3 sections in the pop-up page. Secondly, select a form to be linked in the drop-down list. You can select a form, an aggregate table, or an output form made by the data factory. If you want to link a form in another app, go to App Management, click the cross-up. You can see forms in another apps. Select the form you want to link, click Save. Then, you can choose this form in the drop-down list of linked data. After selecting the linked form, this button will appear. If you need to view or modify the linked form when setting data linkage, click the button to jump to the design page in the form. Thirdly, set the condition. You can choose Trigger the linkage when the linked form field meets all of or any of the following conditions according to your needs. Select the name field in the left field, which is Form the linked form. The right field is the field of current form. You can choose a field or customize the value to set the condition. In a condition, Jodoo provides various data relationships for you to choose, such as equals, contains, is empty, and so on. In this case, we can choose equals, so that when we enter the corresponding name in the current form, this set conditions is met and will trigger linked data. Lastly, choose a field in the linked form, so that the data of sporting event will be retrieved to the current form. In this way, the data linkage for a field is now set up. You can set data linkage in other fields based on specific requirements. This allows for one-click automatic population of multiple data items, such as sporting events and competition results. If you have further questions, you can click on What is data linkage here to be redirected to Jodoo's documentation page. This will provide you with more detailed information on setting data linkage. So far, you have learned about configuring the data linkage field. Next, you can try configuring a data linkage field to link data between different forms, making the filling in process more efficient and convenient. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. There are more how-to videos to help you get started with speed and ease.